Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP, just with a job in the workshop today with a warning light, a green warning light for adaptive systems, control system on this particular vehicle. So the customer's brought the car in, it's got a green warning light on the dashboard for the adaptive system is coming on. Once we scan the car, again this is important that we make sure we scan vehicles, we scan all the modules in the car, because sometimes the fault code's going to be a bit of a quirky one. In this particular case, the system was scanned, the code was in the electronic central electronics system, 2236 static curve light, right hand side M52 open circuit. So again, checking all the lights, there's some quirky lights on these cars nowadays. So again, in this particular late model European type of car, when you're turning left or right, there's an additional H7 globe in the side here that illuminates to the side that you're turning to. So again, in this particular case, the H7 on the right-hand side was not working on this particular vehicle. So found that globe to be blown, we've replaced the bulb and away we went. That got rid of that particular warning light on this particular vehicle. So again, when checking lights or looking for fault codes, make sure you scan every module in the car. Again, these systems, these lights might be in quirky type of modules, maybe not some of the main ones, so a full system scan is important. And again, we're even testing lights. Make sure you're testing the lights when you've got the right-hand indicator on with the headlights, left-hand indicator on with the headlights, stop lights, reverse lights, all those extra things. Try and load up the light when you're doing it, as many lights on at the same time as possible to check out the earth circuits on these lights. So be careful with these later model cars with the amount of lights they've got on them. Also with scanning, just be careful to make sure you scan every module in the car. That way you might pick up a quirky fault code in one module that's actually bouncing off and causing other problems in the vehicle. So just be careful of that. Again, if you remember, make sure you're utilising those repair solutions, which we have exactly in this particular case in our repair solutions. So make sure you're looking online to look for those quirky problems that you may not have experienced before. See you next time.